Hey friends, welcome back to Consumer Heaven, the place where cooking meets creativity and convenience. If you're tired of spending endless hours in the kitchen doing everything the hard way, you're going to love today's video. We're counting down the top 5 kitchen gadgets that will completely transform your cooking experience. These tools are designed to help you cook faster, cleaner, and more efficiently, so you spend less time stressing and more time enjoying delicious meals with family and friends. As always, we've linked the latest and best Amazon deals for every model featured in this list. You'll find them in the description and pinned comment below. So if one catches your eye, just scroll down and check it out. Let's get started with number 5. Number 5. Hamilton Beach Food Processor and Vegetable Chopper. At number 5, we've got the Hamilton Beach Food Processor and Vegetable Chopper, basically your new sous chef. If chopping veggies, shredding cheese, or mincing herbs eats up way too much of your cooking time, this machine is going to change your life. It's got a generous 10-cup capacity, so you can prep big batches for family dinners or meal prep without constantly stopping to empty the bowl. What makes it extra special is the built-in bowl scraper attachment. No more stopping to scrape down to sides. It does it for you, so everything gets evenly chopped, sliced, or pureed. The stainless steel blades are tough enough for carrots, but gentle enough for tomatoes. And with 2 speeds plus a pulse setting, you get perfect texture control every time. And cleanup? Totally painless. All the removable parts are dishwasher safe. Sure, it's not silent, but it's fast, efficient, and will cut your prep time in half. Number 4. KitchenAid Artisan Stand Mixer. Coming in at number 4, the classic KitchenAid Artisan Stand Mixer. If baking is your happy place, this is the holy grail. With a 325-watt motor and 10-speed settings, you can go from whipping airy whipped cream to kneading dense bread dough like a pro. The tilt-head design makes adding ingredients easy, and the 5-quart stainless steel bowl can handle enough dough for multiple loaves in one go. And here's the fun part. KitchenAid makes tons of attachments, from pasta rollers to spiralizers, so it's not just a mixer, it's practically an entire kitchen station. It is on the heavy side, so you'll want to keep it out on the counter, but honestly, it's pretty enough to be part of the decor. Number 3. Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1 Electric Pressure Cooker. Number 3 is the Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1, and if you've ever been stuck wondering what to make for dinner, this is the solution. It's a pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, steamer, sauté pan, yogurt maker, and food warmer all in one. You can have a pot roast on the table in under an hour, make creamy risotto with 0 stirring, or even whip up homemade yogurt. The stainless steel inner pot is super durable, and the preset cooking programs take the guesswork out of mealtime. There's a bit of a learning curve with the pressure settings, but once you get it, you'll use it all the time, especially on busy weeknights. Number 2. Ninja Professional Blender. At number 2, the Ninja Professional Blender, a total powerhouse for smoothies, soups, sauces, and frozen drinks. The 1,000-watt motor and unique stacked blade system blend everything evenly, whether it's leafy greens, frozen berries, or ice cubes. The massive 72-ounce pitcher is perfect for family-sized batches, and the pulse feature lets you control the texture. Chunky salsa or silky puree, your choice. Best of all, everything comes apart and goes right into the dishwasher, so cleanup's a breeze. It's the kind of blender that actually does what the commercials promise. Number 1. Cuisinart 14-cup Food Processor. And finally, our number 1 pick, the Cuisinart 14-cup Food Processor. This is the all-in-one workhorse every kitchen dreams of. Chop, slice, shred, knead, mix, puree, it does it all, and it does it fast. The extra-large feed tube means you can toss in whole fruits and veggies without pre-cutting, and the commercial-grade stainless steel blades deliver perfect results every time. With its huge capacity, you can make big batches for holiday cooking or weekly prep in one go. It's built like a tank, easy to use, and just as easy to clean. No complicated buttons, just on, off, and pulse. If you only buy one kitchen gadget from this list, this is the one to grab. And that's our list of the top 5 kitchen gadgets that actually make your life easier. Whether you're a casual cook or a full-on foodie, these tools can save you time, cut down on cleanup, and help you turn out amazing food with way less effort. All the links to check them out are down in the description. And yes, they're affiliate links, which means if you decide to grab one, it helps support the channel at no extra cost to you. If you found this list helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to Consumer Heaven, and tap the bell so you never miss our next review. Thanks for watching, happy cooking, and I'll see you in the next one.